Hi, this is a reminder from Flex in Southwest West about changes to the tax info button. Just a short video to show you how to find ReMine, the new tax information and public record system. Some quick tips on to get you going on using ReMine for your tax needs, and also where to sign up for training. If you see our pop-up notices, a lot of the information I will cover today is going to be kind of geared around that pop-up that posted in Flex early October. So ReMine is the new tax and public record system. To access it under the Flex menu, you'll no longer find Tax Info button. You'll need to go under Products and click on ReMine. Once you do, it'll sign you right into the application. If it's your first time using it, you'll need to enter a user agreement in a pop-up window, and it'll take you right to your daily dashboard. And that's where you can go and start searching. Some tips to search. If you're searching owner name, you'll want to type in the first name, followed by a space, followed by the last name. That might be too general of a search, just the owner name itself, and we recommend putting a zip code or state abbreviation or even a city to help narrow down your search and filter to find your correct owner name. If you're searching a UPC code, that's fine. Make sure to type in PIN, capital letters, colon, and then your UPC code string, and that should find the property through a search that way. You can also type an address, and that should work as well, looking up a property. If you're in Flex and look at a listing, and I'll pull up a test listing quickly, another way to access ReMine is from the detail page of any listing, and that's probably where you access tax info most of the time, by clicking on it from that link. It is now missing, and ReMine is the link you'll click to open up that full report that includes the mortgage record, deed recordings, tax information for that property. This is a fake listing. That's not real. It's for testing purposes, but you can see it works the same way with a live listing. If you want to print that report, it does pull up a pop-up window. You can pick an agent or client version, choose to include images, and generate your report. It will create a PDF that you can then share or print out and use for your business. As far as getting training, I will take you now to the GAR website. Under Education, and if you go to the calendar, you should see 2 upcoming classes for ReMine offered locally. Next one is Tuesday, October 22nd. That's a webinar hosted by myself, Jeff Bratton, with Q&A, tips, and tricks on how to use ReMine. Kelly Tennant is also teaching a Farming with ReMine class on Wednesday, November 6th. So continue to check that calendar the rest of the year and next year for local ReMine classes. If you're interested in taking the daily webinar that ReMine offers nationally, you'll want to go to your ReMine dashboard panel on the left. Under Support, click the Support Center. From there, you'll click on the Training button. And there you can register for a webinar. Their webinars right now are hosted daily. I'll change it over to the correct time zone. Save that, and it looks like they have classes at 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, and they'll continue to add those added. So any day you want, you can sign up for a webinar on ReMine, and continue to watch for our trainings offered at GAR. And so hopefully that gets you by and going. If you have any questions, you can reach the MLS Help Desk at 843-8833. Thank you for watching.